Hello, it's Haley with the Armageddon Report. Pretty big earthquake just happened not too long ago in the state of Oaxaca, Mexico, 7.4. Now, if you look at where the actual earthquake occurred, city-wise, it's about halfway between Acapulco and the capital city of Oaxaca. 7.4, max CDI of 8, which is severe shaking and moderate/heavy damage. Now, so far, I have not heard of any fatalities having occurred because of the earthquake, and hopefully it stays that way. If you look at the individual responses, it looks like the distribution was mainly as 5s. Like, there's 280 responses as 5s. So the people who felt it above a 5 luckily seem to be, the minority of who felt it that way. But 2 responses of an 8. So big earthquake. So hopefully nothing too serious, but of course aftershocks are to be expected. In fact, I think they recently just had a 5 something. Just hopefully everything gets back to normal soon enough, and hopefully nothing serious occurred there. Today in severe weather, we've got a yellow line. How about that? I don't know how to describe it. Slight risk, that's what it would be. So let's take a look at the individual probabilities. Now you can see this is where you'd think all the severe activity would be, but North Carolina and Virginia have actually got a 5% chance today when it comes to winds. And then here's the hail map, so they've also got a 5% chance of hail. And then Oklahoma and a smidge of Texas has also got a 5% chance of hail over there. With the tornado, it is concentrated around that slight risk area, so as high as a 5% and as low as a 2%. As low as a 0% anywhere else, of course. So what do the numbers mean? That means pick a point within this area, and there is a 5% chance that either that point or someone within 25-mile radius of that point will see a tornado. Tomorrow, semi-similar situation, but luckily a lot smaller area of where it's destined to be impacted, or at least forecasted to be impacted. So 15% there, Louisiana, Mississippi, and then 5% around it. So hopefully nothing serious happens there either. But yeah, you can stay tuned to Wicked Wicks, wickedwx.com, or you hang out on weather.gov, whatever your favourite weather site is. Get your weather radio if you don't have one. And if you have one, make sure it's plugged in, turned on, set to alert, has batteries in it, etc., etc. And enjoy the rest of your day.